Are you having trouble activating FaceTime on your iPhone due to an activation error message? This can be super frustrating, especially when you're all set to connect with friends and family. This error can come up for various reasons like network issues, incorrect settings, or Apple ID problems. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through some reliable solutions to help you activate FaceTime without any hassle. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can block FaceTime activation. Here's how to make sure yours are correct. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Now tap on Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is toggled on. Solution 2. Sign out and sign back in with your Apple ID. Sometimes signing out and back in can refresh your Apple ID settings and fix activation problems. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. Restart your iPhone. Go back to Settings and sign back in with your Apple ID. Solution 3. Enable FaceTime in Settings. Let's make sure FaceTime is turned on in your settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on FaceTime. Toggle FaceTime off and then turn it back on. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID. Double check that you're activating FaceTime with your Apple ID or phone number. Solution 4. Offload FaceTime. If FaceTime seems to be glitching, offloading it can help clear up any issues without deleting your data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Find FaceTime in the list and tap on it. Now tap Offload App and confirm. This will offload the app but keep all your data intact. Solution 5. Enable Background App Refresh. For FaceTime to work properly, Background App Refresh needs to be on. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap Background App Refresh. It's turned on for Wi-Fi and cellular data. Scroll down and check that FaceTime is enabled for Background App Refresh. Solution 6. Reset all settings. If none of these previous solutions worked, resetting all settings might clear any misconfigurations without erasing any data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then tap Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix that annoying activation error and start using FaceTime smoothly again. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe for more tips and tricks. And stay tuned for more troubleshooting guides in our next video.